my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video on using her CURLYS product. These are all the stuff that they gave me. They gave me some clamps. These clamps look weird. They look kind of weird. I don't know. They gave me some gloves in case the curling irons get too hot. And they gave me the curling irons, of course. So these are the curling irons. They pink. I like them because they pink and they very cute to me. So, and these is like I think these like the big crimps. Like, so if you don't want them to be too small, these are the big crimps, and it has this little thing on here to hold it up. It's 25. I don't know what they're supposed to mean, but it said 25 on it, and it got the settings, or you can turn it up. So I'm gonna turn it up to 200, and I'm gonna let these get hot. First, I'm gonna use some pink oil moisturizer, glosser moisturizer to get my hair back glossy. And don't mind my lace, y'all, cause I just put this on today. I curled it already, but the curls went out, so I'm gonna curl it again for you guys. So yeah, I'm just putting the pink oil moisturizer on it. Don't put too much on that, y'all, cause this stuff can go a long way. It's very greasy. So just put it on. And now I'm finna curl my hair. So I'm just gonna get a little piece at the top for my hair. And I don't have no comb. I don't know where my comb is, so I'm just gonna do this. Like that. And the link for these curlers will be in the description box if y'all want some. So yeah. Just gonna crop that. This. Hold it on there for a minute. Get some curling irons and yeah. My scalp is itching. Oh, Lord. Summertime coming up. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna be wearing lace frontals. So yeah, y'all gonna be seeing a lot of makeup videos, but not a lot of lace front videos, because somebody told me something. I mean, I forgot who said this, but they said it's supposed to be one of the hottest summers. And I don't think y'all ready for that. I don't think I'm ready for that. I'm about to open this door because it's hot. I'll be clicking the off button the whole time. It don't even be on. So, if y'all want some of these curling irons, go get them. I think they like $10. For real. I think they like $10 or like $8, I think. But the link will be below, so y'all can go get y'all some fur like this, cause these is pink and they cute. Y'all can put this up in y'all video, and I'm testing these out for y'all right now to see if they work. So I like to count down from 10 and then take it off. I did this so cute. Period. I like it. And y'all can get these for the cheap. Y'all might as well just click the link down below and get y'all some flatters. I mean, some crimps. Because sometime coming up, y'all know we need to be looking like you know. I know that sometimes people like to look crinkly wet look. Especially if you're going to the pool and stuff. Yes. So if you do get in the pool, your hair end up getting wet a little bit, it's still gonna look like, you know, your hair like a little crinkly look, you know, a wet and wavy look. So that's the crinkle. I like this crinkle that I did. Okay, so we can move on to the next crinkle. I think I'm doing this side better than I'm doing the other side. Yeah, I think I'm doing this one good, especially on this side. And I gotta be at work at 2 o'clock. And it's almost 2, y'all. That's long the time is, y'all. That's because I gotta be working a little bit. for you guys. So these are the curls. Go get y'all some curly irons. Cheap. I feel like my lash coming off. My lash coming off. I'll see when I edit the video. Oh, it is coming off though. But I'm gonna show some curling irons. I'm gonna do a review for you guys, and then not a review. Yeah, a review. I mean, you know, posing, and then I will link these curling irons down below. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you, Hair Curlers, for sending me you guys curlers. And a scale of 1 to 10, I give these I'll say a 10 because I should have put some Tresemme in my hair first, but they still came out. They still gave me a good curl pattern. So I'll give these a 10 because, yeah. And plus they pink. Like, they pink. I never seen no pink curling irons, like hot pink. I mean light pink curling irons, and yeah, they're cute. So go get y'all some curling irons. Thank you for watching my video. If you want, I will be giving out eyelashes soon for the giveaway, and lip gloss bags. So stay tuned for my next video. Oh, and make sure y'all subscribe to my, I know it's hot here. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel.
Knockout. You win.
And I'll see y'all next time.